a delicious bowl of chicken noodles. So for preparing it, take about 2 whole cups of water, some salt, some oil and noodles of your choice and start boiling them. Make sure that they are not completely cooked. They should be just about 90 to 95% cooked, or else it will become all more mushy once you add vegetables to it. So here we go, we are almost done. See, this is how they are supposed to be once they are done. Now we need to filter it. Be careful while you are doing it, it will be very hot. Now once you are done filtering, immediately add about 1 or 2 glasses of cold water, because this will stop the noodles getting cooked further. We don't want them completely cooked, right? So if you add this cold water, they'll stop cooking. Now we have marinated chicken. It's a regular marination. I'll give the ingredients below. Now fry some chopped garlic and ginger. To that, add marinated chicken. It's nothing but salt, pepper, some corn flour, some all-purpose flour, 1 beaten egg, pepper and some soy sauce. That's pretty much it. Keep frying it. You don't have to marinate this chicken for long. Just about 15 minutes to half an hour is good. So keep frying properly. Make sure that your chicken is cooked well before you add noodles. Some actually deep fry these chicken pieces and add it to noodles. You can do it that way too, but I prefer cooking it this way. So yes, this will take few minutes, but they have to be cooked properly. See, it's almost done. The chicken's almost done. Keep frying them properly. Now add a bit of chili powder to get that red color. Now I added red and yellow capsicum, some onions and some carrots. This will add a lot of taste to our noodles, and they do look good too. I've even added some chopped chilies. Keep frying them. This will take some time. Now they do look good, right? Now add some salt to taste and keep frying them. These vegetables and chicken are what that actually impart taste to our noodles. So don't skimp on adding them. Add some pepper. Now we'll be adding some sauces. First some dark soy sauce and then some green chili sauce. These require all these sauces to get that lovely, restaurant style taste. Now we'll be adding some red chili sauce. These sauces are easily available in any supermarket. You can get them or you can buy them online too. Now add some chili vinegar. Make sure that all these are coated with the sauces well. Now add your boiled noodles. Now don't mix noodles just the way you actually handle rice. With rice you can mix them properly, but here you have to be careful that noodles doesn't get broken completely. Yet it has to be coated with all the vegetables and the sauces and the powders we have added, the spice powders we have added. Now I'm adding some Szechuan chutney, Ching's Szechuan chutney. This will impart that lovely color as well as a wonderful taste to our noodles. It will make it more spicy and delicious. Now if you want, you can add Ajinomoto. I added a bit, or you can even skip it, totally up to you. Nowadays they have even introduced aromatic powder, so you can even add that if you have it with you. So Ajinomoto is not compulsory. If you want, you can add, but in restaurants they usually add it. So this is another optional item. If you want, you can add some egg. Even without this, it will taste equally good. But if you want that extra texture to your uh, noodles, you can add this. Add some salt and pepper and beat them properly, just like you do it for an omelette. Only thing is, you won't be adding any vegetables. Make sure that it's mixed properly. You beat it well. So once it is done, you can take a non-stick pan, add some oil, and to that you can add these and make sure they're cooked properly. It wouldn't take much time. See how long will it take to actually make an omelette. This is pretty much the same. So if you wish, you can add it to your noodles. If you just want chicken, you can eat with chicken too. Both of them taste equally good. So do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. This chicken noodles can be easily prepared at home. We need not go out and buy. With our healthy oil, we can actually cook it at home. Children will definitely love it. So do give it a try. Thank you.